Today we're going to make milk and cereal mini cupcakes. Today's consumers are looking for small, high-quality treats that can bring them a moment of joy during their day, and these mini milk and cereal cupcakes will do the trick. We simply make Baker's Request cake mix according to bag directions and mix in a few flavoring items at the end of the mix. For exact mixing instructions, please visit dawnfoods.com/recipes. First, line the pan with mini liners. You can use these recipes for any size cupcake you like. Just use a larger pan and liner. Then, scoop the batter into lined mini cupcake pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the cupcakes spring back lightly when touched, and let them cool completely. Each cupcake uses the same buttercream, which we flavor like milk to get that breakfast experience. First, whisk together buttermilk powder and butter and vanilla flavoring. It's important to do this step so the buttermilk powder won't lump when you add it to the buttercream. Next, stir it into the Dawn buttercream in stages, just to make sure it won't lump again. Load a piping bag with an open star tip. We use the classic 1M size, but your favorite star tip will work just fine. Pipe rosettes on top of each cupcake and garnish with corresponding cereal. This small treat combines breakfast and dessert, but is great any time of day.